How to register in Kimi Agency ad account, because I will provide you with the official link of Kimi Agency ad account in the description. You have to go there and register. Only then will you get to see the official support of Kimi Agency, where you will be guided step by step through everything. After registration, if you are facing any problem in the future, you will get WhatsApp support. If you register by going to the link in the description, it will be the official registration link provided in the description. That's what you need to register with. Simply, Kimi Agency and SD Agency are the same, so both links I will provide them in the description from where you can register. So this is the agency ad account link, where first it asks you what username you want to set. Like, just for example, you can use whatever your name is or your company's name. So for example, I have set the name as Meta360, which is my username, and I have put the email as meta360hub@gmail.com here. Simply, when you send the code, you will receive a code on your email which will be received on the Kimi Agency ad account, so that you need to put down the code here. Like here, I have 625094 has come here. This is my code. Now select my country here, like I am from the United States. Then select the time zone you want to choose here. You can provide a contact number like WhatsApp or Telegram, whatever you want to give. You can provide it here. Like, I will select my Telegram account. Here you can also select WhatsApp. You can also select Telegram. So here, as I have given this one here. If you also want to provide contact to, like, one your Telegram, second your WhatsApp, you can select both. Inside WhatsApp, whatever you have, you can add it here. There is no problem, whatever your number is. You can give whatever you want. If you want to give two, you can give two contacts. If you want to give one, you can give one. Now here it is asking about your interest. What is your interest in this agency account? Which agency account do you need? Do you need a global one? Here they have three types of services: agency account, global registration, and drop. The other two are not as good. I personally suggest you go with the agency ad account, where you need to select on which platform do you want to give agency ads. Facebook, Google, TikTok, TikTok Shop, Snapchat, Taboola, Outbrain, any others. Like, I select Facebook here. Facebook is selected. What is your business? It's not necessary to select perfectly, like if it's affiliate e-commerce ko pake. When there's some tech is work at home, gambling, whatever you can do. Like, I will also select e-commerce. How much will the monthly spending be? Like, mine will be from $2,000 to $20,000 per month. Now you have to select a password. Whatever you want to select as an example, like I am here now. I have selected any password. Like you, it will be written on the screen as an example. You have to select this type of format. The first letter of your password will be capital and the rest will be small. You should add a digit or a special symbol to make the password more secure. Simply click on register and you will officially be registered here. After registering, within 24 to 48 hours, if the weekend does not come in between, Kimi and Kelly's team will support you on your Telegram or WhatsApp, whichever contact you have provided. They will ask you if you have registered and with whom you want to proceed further. If you answer a couple of their questions, they will provide you with a support team on your Telegram, WhatsApp, or Skype. The first time you register here, you have to sign in. What will happen as soon as you sign in here? What the two-factor authentication code will be generated from this coder. You have to save it on your phone or save it somewhere else like a scanner. It can be authenticated with Google Authenticator or Microsoft's Authenticator. You can authenticate it with either of these. And you can save its code and activate it anywhere. Like here, you copied it. Here you can also find their own website where you can activate this two-factor code. When you paste it, a code is generated. This code lasts for 30 seconds. If not, it will expire. So you can refresh and copy this code from here like you copied it. After copying, paste this code here As soon as you paste it, our panel will be successfully activated here. It will want to confirm your details once again. Is your email correct? Is everything correct like Telegram, etc.? You need to click on the email and then a code will be sent to your email and you need to put that code here again. Once this is done, you need to confirm it. Your panel has been successfully activated. On the account option, complete all steps. You can start working now. Now this is your registration. Your registration is complete from here. Now you can apply for any account you want from here for Facebook, Google or other platforms. I personally suggest that your Facebook accounts work much better here. So apply for that. Thank you.